डॉक्टर अंकल सुई ना लगाना, सुई से तो डरता है सारा जमाना। क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है हमको यूं सताना?
First aid box is a box containing equipment needed to give immediate medical help in an emergency. This is our first aid box. It contains adhesive band-aid, bandage, silver ointment, body spray. If someone gets wounded, I will treat the wound with cotton, soaked in Dettol to make the wound germ-free. If the cut is small, I will use adhesive band-aid. And if the cut is deep, I will wrap it with a band-aid. If someone gets hurt or have a muscle pain, I will use body spray for instant relief. I will use silver ointment for burn injury. Thank you. Thank you. This is